Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of self-driving cars and how tech giants like Google are paving the way for a future where you might not need to touch the steering wheel at all. Self-driving cars, also known as autonomous vehicles, have been a hot topic for years now. The idea of a car driving itself while you sit back and relax sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's becoming a reality faster than you might think. Google's self-driving car project, now known as Waymo, has been at the forefront of this revolution. Since 2009, Waymo has been developing and testing autonomous vehicles with the aim of making roads safer and transportation more accessible. They've racked up millions of miles on public roads, collecting valuable data to improve their technology. But Google isn't alone in this race. Companies like Tesla, Uber, and even traditional automakers like Ford and General Motors are heavily investing in autonomous driving technology. Each company has its own approach, but the goal is the same: to create a vehicle that can navigate without human intervention. So, how do these cars actually work? At the heart of self-driving technology are sensors and software. These cars use a combination of cameras, radar, and lidar to detect their surroundings. The data from these sensors is then processed by advanced algorithms that make decisions in real time, allowing the car to steer, accelerate, and brake safely. One of the key challenges is ensuring these vehicles can handle the complexities of real-world driving. From busy city streets to unpredictable weather conditions, autonomous cars need to be prepared for anything. That's why companies are investing so much in testing and refining their systems. Let's not forget about the ethical and legal aspects. Who's responsible if a self-driving car gets into an accident? How do we ensure these cars are secure from cyber threats? These are questions that regulators and companies are working tirelessly to answer. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits are enormous. Autonomous vehicles could significantly reduce traffic accidents, which are often caused by human error. They could also provide mobility solutions for those who are unable to drive, such as the elderly or disabled. In conclusion, the road to fully autonomous vehicles is complex and paved with challenges, but the progress being made is truly exciting. As technology continues to advance, we're getting closer to a future where self-driving cars can become a common sight on our roads. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.